Okay, so you should have just finished reading through this input device number 1 light sensor screen. So if you're watching this video, you've already done this up here. You should have read all of this, which is explaining about a light sensor on your microbit. Okay, so it's talking about behind the LED grid, there's a light sensor area. That means there's a little thing there that's sensing how much light is in the room. Okay, it's like on this thing, it's like right behind those LED grids. And what you're going to be doing now is making code, building code to read the light level. So that's what this code is right here. I literally gave you the block of code. You just need to build this, and then it'll do some stuff. So one thing I wanted to focus on is that this is a conditional block of code. In any like if you remember back in 1.2, there was this when we were talking about flowcharts, and there was a linear and a conditional flowchart. And the conditional flowchart was where there was a decision to be made, like do you have a red shirt? Yes, no, right the other bus. So it's actually kind of hard to see. Let me move it over a little. There. Do you have a red shirt? Yes. Right bus 1? No. So that's a condition. That means there's a decision that had to be made. So in this code, there's an if the light level is higher than 128, then it's going to show the string hello. So if you go into the code, right up here, there's this little thing on the microbit that's saying what the level of light is. So you can change that. You can move it up and down, just like that. You just click on it and move it up and down. So if the light level is at 196 right now, that means it's less than 128. It's going to say hello. If it's more than 128, or if it's less than 128, then it starts doing the scrolling. See, now it's doing the scrolling thing, that's the part of the code that makes it do that. Okay, so you're going to build that code in this make code microbit spot, and then while you're testing in the emulator, I kind of gave you right here, showing you that you can move it up and down. And once you're done, I want you to answer these questions right here.